identification code and such other information as may be specified by the rules, to be generated and printed on deposit of money equivalent to chargeable stamp duty in the account of the government. C. For clause 13, the following shall be substituted, namely, impressed stamp includes A. The label affixed and impressed by the proper officer, B. The stamp embossed or engraved on a stamp paper, and C. E-stamp. And D. In clause 14, after the word recorded, the words and includes an instrument executed in electronic form shall be inserted. 2. In section 10, in subsection 1, after the word stamps, the word or e-stamp shall be inserted, and in subsection 2, in clause A, after the word stamps, the words or e-stamp shall be inserted. 3. After section 32, the following section 32A shall be inserted. 32A, certificate of a designated officer. An officer designated by the government shall be notified in the official gazette, issue a certificate to be genuineness or otherwise of e-stamp for the purpose of evidence in legal proceedings.
Now I put the amendment as moved by Minister for Finance and Revenue to the House. The question that the amendment as moved be adopted. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against say no. I think ayes have it, and consequently the amendment is adopted and new clause 10 part of the bill. Clause by clause reading. The bill is now taken up clause by clause. Clause 2 amendment. There are 8 amendment clause 2. First amendment standing in the name of Minister for Finance and Revenue.
Mr. Speaker, I like to move that in the Finance Bill 2021 as introduced in the National Assembly in clause 2, 1. In subclause 1, paragraph D shall be omitted and the existing paragraph E shall be renumbered as paragraph D. In subclause 28, in paragraph A, for the proposed clause 1, the following shall be substituted, namely, for subserial number 2 and entries relating thereto in columns 1, 2 and 3, the following shall be substituted, namely, if any person, as specified in the rules, contravenes the requirement of placement of an invoice and packing list inside the import container or consignment, such person shall be liable to a penalty as under. First time 50,000 rupees, second time 250,000 rupees, third time 500,000 rupees, and onward for every recurring violation. Three. For subclass 29, the following shall be substituted, namely, 29. In section 157, in subsection 2, in the proviso for the full stop, a colon shall be substituted, and thereafter the following new proviso shall be added, namely, provided further that where a conveyance found carrying smuggled goods in false cavities are being used exclusively or wholly for transportation of offending goods under clause S of section 2 of this Act has been seized for the third time, no option to pay fine in lieu of the confiscation shall be given. 4. In subclause 35, in paragraph 2, the proposed first schedule in column 1A, the PCT codes 2917.3410, 2917.3490, 32041710, 3918 1000, 5603 1100, 5603 1200, 5603 1300, 5603 1400, 5603 9100, 5603 9200, 5603 9300, 5603 9400, and 5605 0000, and the entries related thereto in columns 2, 3 and 4 shall be omitted. Number B. Against PCT codes 3824